Hello everyone, I just returned back to Thailand, and how about you? Have you finished your vacation? And 你近排點啊？你近排點啊？ How are you? Last time I teach how to pick up girl in Mandarin. Today I'm going to teach you how to pick up girl in Cantonese. So there was two expressions about pick up girl in Cantonese. The first one is 追女仔, 追女仔. And the other one is a little bit native and a little bit rude. It's 溝女, 溝女. First, Cantonese people are sweet. We always call everyone pretty or handsome. For example, when we meet the shopkeeper who is a girl, and we always say 靚女, 靚女. And when we meet a guy, we could call him as 靚仔, 靚仔, 靚, pretty. So no matter how old they are, people would like to be called as 靚女 or 靚仔 in Guangdong. 靚女 or 靚仔 is not only a noun but also an adjective. For example, if you want to say you're so pretty, you could say 你好靚女, 你好靚女, you're so pretty. If you want to say you're so handsome, you can say 你好靚仔, 你好靚仔. And I will also teach you how to compliment a girl. You are sexy. 你好索啊, 你好索啊. You are so sexy. But I have to remind you that you cannot say this sentence to a girl a lot, because it will make people think you always flirting girls, and we don't like that. But you could describe the girl's body to your friend. 條女好索啊, 條女好索啊, 條女 that girl. 好索, so sexy. In another word, you could say 條女身材好正啊, 條女身材好正啊, 好正, very good. Then maybe you want to add her WeChat. Then you can ask her, 我可唔可以加你微信啊? 我可唔可以加你微信啊? Or I 可唔可以 could 加你微信, 加你微信 at your WeChat. And if she say yes, and you are so lucky, so that you could talk to her in WeChat, and then you can ask her to have a date. So normally, if we have a date with a Chinese girl, we would like to 睇戲, 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 see a movie. Then you could ask, 我想約你去睇戲啊. 我想約你去睇戲啊. Or I 想 want to 約你 ask you 去 go 睇戲 睇戲 see a film. 我想約你睇戲啊. I want to ask you to see a movie with me. Or maybe you want to say, shall we have a drink together? 我哋一齊去飲杯嘢啊. 我哋一齊去飲杯嘢啊. 我哋 we 一齊 together 去 go 飲杯嘢 飲杯嘢 drink something. And if you want to show how much you miss her, and then you could say 我掛住你 我掛住你 I miss you. If you want to say I miss you so much, then you'd better say 我好掛住你啊我好掛住你啊 I miss you so much. Maybe you would like to know how to ask a kiss from her. So you could say 錫啖先錫啖先錫 kiss 啖先 first 錫啖先 give me a kiss. What's more, some people also will say 錫晒你錫晒你錫 kiss 晒 or 你 you 錫晒你 actually is not about kiss you or 錫晒你 means love you so much. For example, if your girlfriend help you to cook a delicious dinner, then you could say 錫晒你啊錫晒你 love you so much. Maybe some friends still want to know how to confess their love to a girl and they want them to be their girlfriend, then maybe you could say 我有啲嘢想同你講我有啲嘢想同你講I 有啲嘢 have something 想 want 同你 to you 講 tell 我有啲嘢想同你講 I want to tell you something. And then maybe you want to tell her you like her for a long while. Then you could say 其實呢 actually 我鍾意你好耐啦其實呢我鍾意你好耐啦其實 actually 我 I 鍾意 like 你 you 好耐 for a long while 其實我鍾意你好耐啦其實我鍾意你好耐啦 Actually, I like you for a long time. Then maybe you would like to let her know you want her to be your girlfriend. Then you could say 可唔可以做我女朋友啊可唔可以做我女朋友啊可唔可以 could 做 to be 我女朋友My girlfriend 可唔可以做我女朋友啊 Could you be my girlfriend? Of course, we also say I love you 我愛你I love you But actually, we will not say that. It's a little bit cheesy, but I would like to hear that. I hope that after today's video, language is no longer a burden between you and your love. And if you meet a Cantonese girl, please catch her and show your love directly. Last but not least, when you say those sentences that I teach you to others, I hope that you say it sincerely. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Dope Chinese with Gloria, and don't forget to click the bell. So see you next time. 唔好掛住我啊，拜拜。